Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will be learning how to make a cool scroll indicator using JavaScript as you saw earlier. The source code of this project is available in the description. This is a very beginner-friendly project as it is very easy to understand and code it. By the way, do hit the subscribe button, because if we reach 1000 subscribers, I will be hosting a free web development course. Alright, now let's jump into the tutorial. Firstly, we will start with HTML. I'm gonna create a div tag called header to store our header topic and to have the progress or scroll bar inside it. Then I will add the topic, which in this case is coding Porium. Then, I will add a div tag for a progress container. It's like the empty gray box. Inside it we will add a progress bar div and give it the ID of my bar. This ID will be used to configure the JavaScript later. This progress bar is going to fill up our empty container when the user scrolls down our page. This is made possible with JavaScript, which we'll code lastly. Then, we close our progress container div and header container. Okay. We are now gonna make a div called content and store the page content in it. This is where we keep the text below the progress or scrolling bar. I'm gonna copy and paste some lorem ipsum text because I have no idea what to type at here. I ain't a novel author, okay? And that wraps up HTML. Now let's dive into CSS. We will first import the Poppins font. My favorite font, haha. Then we will give some basic specifications in the body tag to ensure there's no extra spacing. I will also give it a high font size so that you can see how the scroll indicator works. Lastly, I will declare the font family as Poppins. Now, we will jump to the header selector. We will keep its position as fixed so that you can always see the scroll indicator and also give it a full 100% width. I will specify the color and background color too for the header. Alright, now we're gonna design the H2 text in the header. We're just gonna make it align to the center. Now the next few selectors are the most important ones. You can actually go on without the header earlier, but you need the following parts for the scroll indicator. First we will design our progress container. It's pretty simple for this too. Just add a height of 8 px and a width of 100% to cover the full page from left to right. We will also give it a gray color to make it look like it's empty. Now if you have an empty box, you've got to fill it up with something. Here, we're gonna fill our container with the progress bar itself. We give it the same height and width as the container, but we give it a purple color. Lastly, we're gonna style the content div. We're just adding some basic padding and margin to align it properly. And that's all for CSS. Now we will dive in the most important part. The JavaScript. Here, we will make our progress bar function. First we'll code our function to work when the user scrolls the window. In our function we declare 3 variables to make our function work. These variables are when scroll, height and scrolled. We also use DOM to link our progress bar edit here. This way, the progress bar can execute the function. Alright, let's see our final output. And that wraps up our tutorial for this video. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe and like this video. If we reach 1000 subscribers, I will be hosting a free web development course. Till the next video, goodbye.